morning everyone! So ayan guys, andito tayo today sa Nubista, Tanawan. It's located at Barangay Talaga, Tanawan, Batangas. Ayan, so this is owned and developed yan by PA Alvarez Properties and Development Corporation. So PA Properties po ang ating developer. Ayan, so as you can see, andito kami today kasi nagkaroon po tayo ng launching ceremony kanina. Yan, and syempre marami po tayong mga buyer na nag-reserve for today. Yan, so ito guys is along highway, ayan, ng ating Barangay Talaga, Tanawan. Yung mga sasakyan na yan guys, yan, so papunta po yan sa exit ng Tanawan Bayan, yan, Tanawan, Batangas, and yung papunta naman dito guys is ito naman po yung way, papunta na po yan ng Tagaytay, no? Yan, so malapit na malapit po yung ating project, yan. So ito guys is maximum selling price natin is around 2.5 million. And we have Pag-ibig financing and bank financing. So ito po yung ating bahay na itatayo dito is Yasmin, ayan, townhouse, and Sulida townhouse. So Sulida natin guys, ayan, so minimum lot cut natin doon is 36 square meters and 32 naman yung ating floor area. And ang reservation natin dyan guys is only 5K, even inner unit and end corner. And of course, dun lang sila magkakaiba, magkakatalo lang sila pagdating dun guys sa ating monthly equity. Yan. So si Pag-ibig financing, pag ganyan po yung binili natin, Sulida, 5,375 estimated yung ating monthly amortization sa Pag-ibig, no? And syempre yung equity natin dyan is around 300 to 400 plus, depende sa laki ng lot area na i-avail po natin. Ano guys? So kapag tayo naman nag-bank financing, 119, 129 yung ating equity, 6,000 plus naman po yung ating equity. Pagdating sa bank financing, 9,000 plus naman po yung ating magiging monthly amortization. Yan. So ayan guys, ito po yung ating bagong project, Nubista, Tanawan. Ayan, ito po ay bagong launching ceremony. So wala po tayong problem, meron na po tayong DSUD license number to sell. Yan, it's 00003537. And AD approval number, meron na tayo. Land development completion natin guys is 31 ng December 2029. Yan. Maximum selling price natin dito guys is around 2.5 million. So ito na guys yung ating land development. Ayan, so kakabukas lang natin, no? Kaka-launch lang natin ang ating project dito sa Nubista, Tanawan. So ayan guys, thank you so much for watching. Ayan, sana naman po yung iba po dyan na wala pang investment, mag-invest na po tayo. Yan, habang mababa pa po ang ating Pag-ibig monthly amortization. Thank you so much guys for watching. It's me again, Cecil Reyes Pro from RCD Pearl Homes Hall of Fame. License po ako as a real estate agent and DSUD. Bye! 0921-2626-695 ang ating number sa PRC and DSUD 001295. Thank you guys!